Good morning, everybody. Mike Brailsford of Brailsford Woodworks. Hey, it's what date is it? It is November 6th. I've been on vacation, so I haven't really been paying attention. But I'm back again. I had gone up and visited my son, and we came home, and I've been working in my shop for the other few days that I've had off. It's still chaos around here because everything is torn up because I'm covering my walls. And I'm hoping for when I get that done, I'm going to do a shop tour, show this off to everyone. It's not in a state that I'd like to show off now. You get to see bits and pieces of it on the side, out of the periphery. But so I'm taking time so I keep up with my content. I'm still doing some videos. I've got a piece of spalted silver maple that I'm going to try to turn into a hollow form, I think. And it's got some cracking in it. I'll probably have to do some filling of some different kinds, but I can see on the end there's some beautiful spalting. I'm interested to see how that's going to look. So let's get started, shall we? So I have two GoPro 5s is what I do my filming on. And I've always used the internal microphone on them. But I have just recently purchased a new external mic for this. So let me know how it sounds. I'm interested what is your opinions of this. Alright, so I've put a woodworm screw in, and let me get this mounted. There you go, that was much easier. And because it's in this orientation, thankfully I can use my spindle roughing gouge for this, which I will do. So what I've done is I filled the cracks with a combination of medium clear CA glue, which I got deep into it, and then on the outside with the black CA glue. And then I coated the whole thing with thin CA glue because of the spalting. It's on the verge of being a little punky, so I wanted to firm it up, but you know, the grain is just looking beautiful, so I really want to see what I can do with this. So I think I'm going to keep the overall shape the way it is right now. I just want to define it a little bit better with my scrapers, and then I got to put my tenon on it, and I can get it turned around and put into the chuck. so I've gotten some of these flap sanders. They're actually made for metal, for angle grinders. And on some of these more stubborn pieces that get a little more tear out, I think these are really going to be the ticket. And for us AAA personalities who have no patience at all, this is really the ticket. All right, I think that gets it. I may have to add a spot over here on my wall just for these things. All right, time to get it out of the wormwood screw and put it in the chuck. Harbor Freight to the rescue again. So this was quite literally a piece of firewood. As all us turners know, that's sometimes get some of the most beautiful stuff you can out of them. But this was cut down at my son's house in Virginia Beach. It was a silver maple that was just looming over his house, and those of you who know trees know that silver maples are quite brittle. And he didn't like it and had it taken down. Now the biggest wood I told him to save, the tree guy took it away. I never got my hands on it, but that's okay. I got plenty of other wood now to turn, so. And this black CA glue on this piece with a spalting, you almost can't see where it kind of blends in. That's my point. right, so I'm not quite sure. Do I want to put regular natural wax on here, or do I want to put the special dark? You know what? I think I'm going to go with a natural. I think maple's a lighter colored wood, but yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I like that. I like that kind of a matte finish. Not everything has to be glossy and shiny. All right, time to turn this around. Take the tenon off. Alrighty, this one is done. This one posed some definite challenges. But I'd say overall I'm pleased with the results. I love that spalted maple. That is just beautiful stuff. Look at that. That is just spectacular. Yep, and this was just going to be thrown on a fireplace, which would have been a shame. But I've got someone in mind for this. Hopefully she'll be happy with it. Okay. So I also had mentioned in one of my earlier videos that I was going to be getting some additional pecan. So I'm going to be doing a video of that. I'm going to go up and get it tomorrow. Got 2 or 3 big pecans that are coming down. I got loan of a trailer so I can bring the wood back. And I should be loaded up with pecan enough for another 5 years. So that's a good problem to have. Again, please, if you like any of the things I've made, go check it out on my website, www.brailsfordww.com. Please visit me on Facebook, Instagram, and Etsy. as well as YouTube. And I'd love to ask you to please click the like and subscribe buttons. I would appreciate that. And as always, stay safe and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.